Sounds of the season.
Celebration, sing a song of peace and goodwill to make